Oh my God, it's hot in here. It's 28 Celsius and humid. So, okay, I flipped it over to cool mode now. And I'm going to set the air condition. Okay, here's the thermostat. We flipped it on cool mode, and it takes 2 batteries. So it's 28.4 degrees Celsius in here. And this thermostat here controls 2 my air conditioners, the LG 12,000 BTU air conditioner and the LG 6,000 BTU in the bedroom. So if I just turn it down, if I can, so you can see them turn on at the same time here. And as you can see, this one's on. Okay, and if I go back over here, if I show you, and if I go back, and if I go back here. Now, why would you want to block the air conditioner guy? He's a genius. He's smart. There's some people out there like to block me, but I'm a smart man. Look at, I wired my window air conditioners to my wall thermostat. It's so cool. So that's how it works. It turns both of them on and off at the exact same time on this one thermostat. There we go. We're on cool mode and air conditioning's on. We got night light on there. Fixed thermostat air conditioner. So, all on one thermostat. If I go back over here, yeah, see it controls this one too. If I go back up, and there you go. They're all ready. There we go, set to cool on 24 degrees Celsius automatically. This one thermostat's going to control my 2 air conditioners and 2 electric space heaters, and they both air conditioners and the 2 fan heaters, they both turn on and off at the very exact same time. And we're into a cool mode right now. Cool mode. And the thermostat will turn the air conditioners on and off automatically. That tricks the thermostat on the air conditioner. Keeps my compressor on for me. It's warm and muggy in the apartment on Tuesday, May 19, 2026 at 10 o'clock p.m. So the heat off the night light tricks the thermostat on the air conditioner and it keeps my compressor on for me. And these two air conditioners are controlled by the raw thermostat that's more accurate. And what you do is you put the thermostat on the air conditioners down the coldest setting, and then you set the thermostat on the wall where you want it to be. And then the raw thermostat will turn the air conditioners and electric fan heaters on and off automatically at the exact same time. It's a little bit cooler in here now. It's 25 on there and 26.6 on here. 24.5 degrees Celsius on the spring coil thermometer, and then on the digital wow thermostat it's 26.5 degrees Celsius. The cool air is starting to kick in, and this thermostat here is going to control my two air conditioners. They will turn them on and off automatically. Well, that is pretty cool. And it's in a thermostat guard, so your girlfriend cannot tamper with it. Or my students, I mean. And I also have a window that opens up with the screen on it, so I can let some fresh air in. But when the air conditioners are on, the windows are closed. Back or one. So if there is ever a fire, I have no problem getting out. No worries. It's starting to get nice in here now. Really nice. And it's 25.8. We're getting there. It's starting to get nice in here. The humidity is starting to pull out. When I first turned the air conditioners on like 10 minutes ago, it was like really muggy in here for this like Tuesday, May 19, 2026 at 10 o'clock at night. Get out of here. The moth. Windows open. The window's open. It's dark, can't see anything, but at 25.1 degrees Celsius, set to cool on 24 degrees Celsius automatically. And this thermostat is controlling my 2 air conditioners and 2 space heaters, 2 electric heaters and 2 air conditioners. Well, it's starting to get nice in here now. You can order them on Amazon. Digital. $12,000 BTU algae. It's nice in here now. They're off. Just turn off. If we go back to the thermostat, see what it says. 23.9. And there you have it. That's cool. So when this bumps back up to 25 degrees, it will turn the air conditioners back on. And then once it's 23.9 Celsius, air conditioners will turn off. So. Off. Off. So Amazon.